Hello everyone, welcome back to our MF Techno Solution channel. If you are a beginner to learn this Linux and DevOps tools, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover all the DevOps tools like from beginner to advanced level commands. Once after completing this Linux part, we are going to cover one by one all DevOps tools. To learn this DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we are started our course on first Linux part. Okay. In the last 17 lectures, we covered all these topics, introduction part and Linux directory structure and basic command. On this third topic, basic commands, we covered around 11 to 12 lectures. Okay, in that PWD command, CD command, date command, cal command, copy command, touch command. Okay, all these commands we covered. If you are not aware about all these commands, please go through all the videos and lectures and watch all the videos and do yourself practical. And after that, you can continue the today's session. In the today's session, we are going to cover this Vim editor. On this fourth topic, our fourth topic, Vim editor, we already covered 2 lectures. Okay, so I highly recommend before starting this today's session, go for this 16th and 17th lecture. There is a regarding on Vim editor only. There we covered like insert mode, command mode. Okay, in the today lecture, we will continue the further Vim editor commands. Okay, so in the last lecture, we covered these all commands. These all commands we already covered. Okay, that is insert mode. All these commands we covered. Okay, in the today lecture, we are going to cover this all extend mode commands. Okay, so these all extend mode commands we are going to cover. Okay, we will see one by one. First one, we will see what is that escape :w. Okay, what it will do in extend mode. Okay, fine. All extend mode commands will start with the escape and colon. Okay, all okay in extend mode it will start with escape and colon. Fine. Okay, I will open in VM. First I will check the all files. Okay, there is simple file is there. I will enter into this simple file. Okay, whenever you will get this attention message, so just click on any button, it will take you to the your main page. Okay, fine. So I will just delete this thing. I will click on insert button and I will write some message, hello, hit enter. Okay, so under okay, what I will do, I just change the message. Okay, something some garbage message is written on this file. I just delete it and I want to save this message. How? Click on escape colon and W. So what it will do? It will write, it will save your file. How? Do explain one more time. Wait a second. See here what I did. Some garbage message is written here. So what I did, so I just changed this file. I changed, okay. I written some hello message and after that what I did, I click on escape. Okay. I click on escape and after that what I did, colon W. Means what it will do, it will write. Okay, it will write and still your remains in the in this page only. You are not coming out of this page. You are just saved your file. Okay, I hope you got this point. So after that, if you want to come out of this file, come out of this page, so what you need to do is escape. Okay, escape colon Q and hit enter. See, you are completely saved and you came out of this file. How? See here what I did. I simply escape and what I did, colon Q. When I perform this command, what happened? So I came out of this VM editor which I log into, I enter into this sample file. Okay, now our sample file is saved. Okay, we will check that one. See, you can see here, cat sample. Hit enter. See the changes, whatever we did. See here, we did something garbage. Some garbage letters is written in this file. So what we did, we deleted that one and we make correct. Okay, and we save and we came out of this file. Okay, so I hope you got this point. So what we will do, see here, previously what we did. First we perform colon W and we saved and after that what we did, we quit and we save and we came out of this file. So we perform like this. So what we'll do now? So we'll perform the both things at a time. We'll save and we'll quit. Means write and quit at a time. We can do like that also. See here what I will do. I will enter again the sample file. See what I will do. I will delete these 2 lines. What I will do, I will delete these 3 lines now. See, SK, double D. Okay, I deleted. I want to save this file and I want to came out of this file. Okay, this page. How? SK:WQ. Okay, what it will do? And hit enter. See what happened? And do cat sample. See your file. You removed that previous data and you save and you came out of this file. How? Let me explain one more time here. So what I did, see here, I just entered into the sample file, okay, and after that I deleted some messages, okay, and after that what I did, I just performed the escape, okay, escape, :WQ, write and quit, okay. When I perform this command, so after that what happened? You just save and you came out of this file, write and quit, okay. I hope you got this point. Okay, fine. So this is write and quit forcefully. See this one, see this one. See here, this is write and quit forcefully. Whenever you want to write a data forcefully, at that time you need to use this factorial symbol, okay. What it will do? To save forcefully, to write forcefully, okay. We'll see this one. I will open again sample file, hit enter, just click on some random button, okay. You came to the main file. So here, what I will do, insert, hit enter, I will go end of the line. What I will do, I will write some garbage value, okay. I want to save this garbage value, okay. So at that time, you want to save this forcefully, okay. escape::W and factorial symbol. So see here what you are doing. Here some garbage nodes were written here. You want to save this forcefully, okay. For that you need to performing this colon. See here what I am performing. Escape, okay, ::W and factorial symbol. Means you are saving this file forcefully, okay. See what happens and hit enter, okay. See after performing that, what happened? You can see here some message written. See line number 7 and 242 byte written, means that is saved, okay. Fine, I hope you got this fine. And what I will do, escape: quit, okay. I want to quit forcefully. So sometimes you written something and it's not allowing to change. You want to forcefully do it, okay. How? With escape::. See, you want to do that performance, something you are written. You want to write that file forcefully at that time. Escape::. How? Say one more time I have written here. See, escape plus : okay. When I'm showing this one, so at that time don't click on plus symbol. Means I'm showing escape and : Q and factorial, and don't click on plus and all, okay. So fine, and hit enter. What it will do? It will quit forcefully, and the changes will appears, okay. These changes will appear, okay. It won't change. Whatever the changes we did, it will remain. See here, quit. See, do cat sample. See here, that is forcefully written this, okay. Previously we did forcefully H command, we performed first, that is escape colon W factorial. Forcefully we written this, and after that what we did? Again escape colon Q factor, means you are forcefully written first and forcefully you are quit. So that's why the data is appearing here. Okay, you can see here the data is here. You are forcefully performed. Okay, see here, you are forcefully written and you came out of this sample file. I hope you got this point. We can perform the forcefully write and quit option at a time. Go to the sample file. Okay, I want to write something in this file. I want to save and come out of this file. That is write and quit and factorial. What I did, see here. You can see here what you can see here. Something garbage value I written here. I want to save forcefully. That is write and quit forcefully. Okay, see here what I did. I just click on escape plus write and quit and factorial. Means what happened? It will save your file and it will come out of your page with forcefully. Okay, I hope you got this point. I will perform this. See here, and do cat for your sample file. See here, whatever the garbage value you return, you saved forcefully and you came out of the strike. Okay, I hope you got this point. That is WQ. Okay, we will see this quit and moving your cursor to a particular line. Okay, and giving numbers and all in the next class. Okay, I hope you understood this point. Okay, if I perform all these commands at a time, you will get confused. So we will see these commands later. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. Follow all the lectures and video, and don't forget to do like and subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.